5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. This writ petition has been filed by the petitioner under Article 226 of the Constitution of India and against the respondents on 13/7/1997 with a prayer that by an appropriate writ order or direction the respondents be directed to offer appointment to the petitioner on the post of electrician as the appointment had already been given to the less meritorious candidates to the petitioner, and further the appointment of respondent number 6 to /4 to 6 who were less meritorious than the petitioner be declared illegal and be quashed. Stop. That the petitioner passed the high school examination from the Secondary Education Council Uttar Pradesh in the year 1987 and the intermediate examination from the same board in the year 1995. Stop. The petitioner also possessed the ITI certificate in electrical issued by the principal of ITI Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh, which is under the control of the State Vocational Training Council, Uttar Pradesh. Stop. Copies of mark sheets of the high school, intermediate and ITI have been produced as annexure P1 to P3 respectively. Stop. Stanza. Further case of the petitioner is that the panel of suitable candidates was called from the Employment Exchange Hanumangarh and Sri Ganganagar. Stop. The said panel was called for 40 vacancies of electricians which were under respondent number 3 chief engineer within bracket ST PSR SEB Suratgarh. Stop. As the name of the petitioner was registered with the Employment Exchange Hanumangarh, his name was sent by the Employment Exchange to respondent number 2 bracket Joint Director Personnel IRRSEB Jaipur bracket close for the post of electrician. Stop. Stanza. Full bench of this court in the case Deepak Kumar Suthar versus State of Rajasthan within bracket 2 has held that awarding of bonus marks on the ground of residence in urban and rural areas for recruitment in public employment in the state services is not permissible on the ground of place of birth of residence and is void ab initio. So from this point of view, condition number 6 contained in the letter dated 7/2/1998 annexure P6 becomes violative of Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution of India and thus carries no weight. Stop. Stanza. In view of the law laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Kailash Chandra within bracket Supra and in view of the law laid down by full bench of this court in the case of Deepak Kumar Suthar within bracket Supra, the submission of the learned counsel for the respondents that the petitioner was denied appointment on the ground that he was not bona fide resident of Hanumangarh / Sri Ganganagar cannot be accepted and is rejected. Stop. Over.